Oh, good Lord, boys. I had to go see the doctor this morning. Just noticing quite a bit of the drippings under this guy here, but guess we'll take him. These are f***s. Oh, for crying out cigarettes. Well, I've been diagnosed with a clean bill of health. And I got a tetanus shot today. Figured why not? Well, we're in shit Thomas. Haven't seen John Luke in a bit. No trip undercoat $89.99. You bessin'. Son of a... Oh, busy. Busy place.
Hello, one bug leg.
Where's Ricky? Are you a good Barky or are you a bad Barky?
You go up that door and you'll probably find him over there.
What happened? Look at the stadia. You're a beardsman.
Got lazy.
You want to sell any of these jugs of shit?
I see yours is about empty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need some more. You want to sell some?
Oh, what's the price? I'll have to get you a price. What are they, 120 bucks or something?
Holy fucking simmer the fuck down.
Diesel fuel lately? You go
Holy.
grocery shopping? I went grocery shopping yesterday. I couldn't believe it.
Oh, you got a different kind of rust converter even too.
That stuff any good?
No need for sandblasting. Oh, this shit doesn't seem too bad. I mean, it, you know, reacts, right? It turns the rust black, right?
Yeah.
I'll give you $200 for the last 3 of these jugs.
Hey?
$200 for the last 3 jugs.
No, you won't.
What are you talking about?
600.
Like
Alright, I'll get you a price. I don't see no price on here.
Well, you had 5 jugs. I bought 2 of them. There's 3 left. So they're clearly not a hot seller since it was 2016 when I bought the fucking other ones.
Here's another one down here.
You're just all about the rust converter, huh?
Yeah.
Holy
Trying
shit.
to preserve their customers' cars.
Trying to restore customer cars.
Yeah. Christmas cars there.
It's like the restoration shop.
Yeah.
Oh, right on.
I'll have to get you a price on that stuff, Chris.
Can you just sell it to me? You get in trouble?
I'll be in trouble. I can handle trouble, but if I can avoid it, I like to rather just avoid it. Oh.
Oh.
How's Hobo doing?
Oh, he's fucking great.
Is he still at the fucking
Oh, fuck yeah.
Salvation Army?
Yeah. Did you see me fuck him in the head with a carrot? Here, where's a carrot? I want to do you.
Oh, fucking serious.
Come on, for my movie. Just pull your chiclets out. Just give it a couple licks on the end. Oh, you'd be a star, John Luke. You know what I mean? Any words? Smoke cigarettes.
Oh, that killed me.
Ah, you bessin'. Right on. Have a good one. Old John Luke. Just friggin' dickered. Gotta be pushing at least 100 years old. Right now. Frank, wouldn't you? Oh, there's Crawdad at Horton's. Getting some jankum in his bum. Good Lord. Oh dear. I wonder if this thing will start. Mission accomplished. Oh, the concrete went down, but it really f***ed up my my expensive as f*** cock. Good Lord. Just ruined it. That's a good crowd out of stern talk, I think. Enough said. Oh yeah. She's a little bigger than the 5.9. What happened? Need to start removing parts. Part removal process. Ooh, multi-component. Multiple components. Careful. Holy shit. That ain't light. Good Lord. That's the bits we need right there. Holy shit. A pump. Huh? Eh? It's an A pump. Eh? Oh dear. Well, you know how it's always half job season in Inwood. Well, this'll tickle your fancy. Oh, stupid bird asshole. Very cool. Fucking goofs. Good Lord, okay, I got the parts loaded up. Go sell them. Scores! Right on, thanks a lot. You too. Well, the heater knew I was making a movie, so it turned on, but I got a little carried away. When you leave your friggin' victim's impact statement, I'd appreciate if you added the case number to it so that I can, you know, keep track of them all or whatever. But anyways, so that's what I sort of come up with for the clutch. This pin Berlini doesn't really want to fit in the whole Berlini, so I think I'm just going to drill that out, and we'll put like a nut and a bolt and then like a little grumman, like some type of the grumman in here. But check that out, boys. That's Inwood Customs. Hey, I'm not sure if you know you're aware or whatever, but now you are, right? So give you a little shot there. This is like a brake pedal out of a Chevy. Hey, but anyways, I'll pull this bullshit apart there. I gotta put it up in the firewall, mark where to cut the holes in the firewall, and then I'll show you the pedal fitment, and it'll be awesome. Alright, well, I wasn't even making a movie, I can't even remember, but check that out, dudes. Holy shnikes. The fitment. The fitment. And I just gotta, I either gotta just sand that son of a bitch down just a little bit. I might just do that, just sand that down, and then just put a Kadur pin in there. And then, but yeah, we got plenty of toss. We got plenty of toss. Pedals look same. Friggin' more awesome peony. A good one. Yeah. Isn't that awesome, dudes? Dudes, bros. Friggin' decent. 11 steps closer. But you can tell we're gonna need to, extend this article. So I was looking onto the interwebs there, and I'll just order these ends. You pull that guy out and tap the guy out, and then you pull the guy out, and then you can just get, new dink ends onto it. It'll be awesome. But can't even remember what else. What else I was doing? Just sticking around with some stuff. I had to tear that engine apart, sell those bits, so that's all done and dealt with. Anybody needs some 83 Commons parts? We got a couple left over, but that's. Can you remember if I showed you getting those things out? Because they wouldn't come out. They were stuck in there like a sumbitch. But what I ended up doing was like these guys were like, in there like that, and then I just like hooked this guy, back and behind it like that, and then I tapped the side with a hammer as I was giving her the pry ski. Popped right out. I mean, didn't pop right out. It was jammed in there some terrible, but yeah, we should be able to. At least even just use that for the measure to make a plug, make a couple plugs, pound them in there, and then use that hole with a plate, bolt over it, done. Otherwise, if we put those in, we'll have to loop them with a hose that'll potentially leak, and that's no good, right? So, in other words, maybe I'll just, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But, yeah, man, that was a good deal. That was a really good deal, and I got something to do my measurements off of. So made it like a bandit on that one, boys. So that's handy. That's not too bad to leave the short end of the stick for other dicks once in words. You know what I mean? But yeah, she's a little bit of the dusty factor. Hey, oh boy, probably wasn't a good idea to jam that rag in there and leave it outside to get jacked, to get deckered. But in any words, lines, injectors, squidgets, how you doings, intake heaters and stuff. Anybody needs anything, let me know. But yeah, man, we're Fubercoot and Spoochless. The friggin' van has a clutch now. The van has a clutch now, boys. That was, and it was like a one crack deal too. I just like friggin' just did it. It was just like it just happened. I was just like doing it. I was like gonna make a movie, but I was like right in the groove, and you know how it is. You know how it is, boys. For frig's sakes. But anyway, it's still a little bit to go, but I gotta get this movie up because tonight is now, and this should have been done yesterday, but I was busy doing other shit, so I apologize. But hopefully we'll get back on track here in the situation, and it'll be awesome. But anyways, I look forward to going through your grievances. Let me know what you stink, and other than that, we'll see you friggin' Mondards. Of course.